Samsung has not yet announced anything about its second Unpacked event for this year, but rumors around the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6 point to a July launch. Amid speculations, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 has allegedly appeared on the Geekbench website with a custom Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. Additionally, a tipster claims that the camera configuration of the book-style foldable phone will be better than that of the Galaxy S24. A Samsung smartphone with a model number was spotted on the Geekbench website on May 17th. The listing, speculated to be that of the US variant of Galaxy Z Fold 6, shows 6,619 points in the multi-core test and 1,964 points in single-core testing. The alleged Galaxy Z Fold 6 is listed with an 8-core CPU codenamed Pineapple, with a base frequency of 2.26 GHz and a peak frequency of 3.40 GHz. These CPU frequencies and codenames are associated with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 mobile platform for Galaxy. This custom flagship chipset offers a higher clocked prime core and a higher clocked GPU compared to the regular Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC. The latter will most likely be coupled with One UI 6 1.1. The Geekbench entry also suggests Android 14 and 12 GB of RAM on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 will be available in 3 storage options, which include 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB. Additionally, known tech industry tipster Crow on X posted that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will come with better cameras than the Galaxy S24. The post, however, doesn't divulge any further details. Previous leaks suggested unchanged cameras and battery for the phone. According to a new report from the ELEC, Samsung is re-examining its plans to launch a cheaper Galaxy Z Fold 6 this year. The South Korean firm reportedly planned to launch the cheaper Galaxy Z Fold 6 alongside the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6. However, it is said to have lacked the digitizer required for S Pen functionality, which means it lacked S Pen compatibility. The company is said to have recently completed the testing of the device, featuring an IPX8 rating and 2 lax folds rating, but it wasn't any thinner than foldable phones from rival Chinese firms. The mass production of Galaxy Z Fold 6 components is scheduled to start this month. The upcoming phone is expected to feature a titanium frame and could be available in 3 color options: dark blue, light pink, and silver. It is tipped to carry a 4,400 mAh battery with a charging speed of 25 watts. It likely offers 15-watt wireless charging and 4.5-watt reverse wireless charging as well. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is rumored to launch at the Galaxy Unpacked event in July. Joining this foldable would be the Galaxy Z Flip 6, Galaxy Watch 7 series, and the Galaxy Ring. Samsung is yet to announce or tease any of the products. It is tipped to come with a titanium frame and could be available in 3 color options: dark blue, light pink, and silver. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest in tech news. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.